Good afternoon, everybody. David Paul with you here in the KHOU 11 Weather Center. It is Thursday afternoon. It is hot. It is humid in the Houston area. But this is energy that this batch of thunderstorms to our north and west is going to feed off of as it moves in and across our area over the next several hours. So this Thursday afternoon and evening looks likely to become stormy in many places. It's going to impact the afternoon and evening commute. If you or loved ones are going to be busy, have stuff to do, errands to run between 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock this evening across the Houston area, be advised we could see strong, maybe severe thunderstorms come in with this upper level disturbance that's already kicking off strong, and a severe thunderstorm up in Grimes County. We'll zoom in on that right now. Thunderstorm up here in Grimes County has gone severe. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect till 3:15. And what I've done is I've put up our velocity tracker. This is where we look inside the storm and we try to find rotation and see where we have this bright color here and the green color here, the cooler colors here. When those colors come together, quite often it can indicate a little rotation. We're not seeing any big signs of any rotation with this, and in fact we're not seeing any large hail either. This is our hail detector on this one. And again, just to set your bearings up here, this is North Zulch, here's Iola, there's Beat Eyes. Highway 90, Highway 190 here, so northwest viewing area, and this is northern Grimes County, and that's the only hail spot being detected, and that color signifies perhaps pea-size hail, so there may be either heavy rain or very small hail with that cell in northern Grimes County. Here's another look at it. Again, the yellow box here outlines the severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect until 3:15. North Zulch, Highway 90 getting hit hard, and you can see the thunderstorm now working its way south just to the east of Bryan College Station. I do have a storm track on this. It's pushing south-southeast at about 25 to 30. These are quick movers here on the northwest side, so if this holds together, the core of that storm reaches Beat Eyes by 3:06, reaches Carlos by 3:19, Shiro 3:29, and Anderson by 3:36. So in addition to that, there are more storms that are just kind of firing up ahead of this impulse as it begins to interact with the heat of the afternoon. And you see now across our northern counties, thunderstorms are firing off. Rickard's getting thunderstorms now. Look at the north side of Lake Conroe, and that thunderstorm right here, that's right at the 1097 bridge going across Lake Conroe. So that's producing gusty wind and heavy rain right now. None of those are severe, but we're keeping a close eye on that. This one's going to hit, looks like, right into Conroe proper. Willis and Cut and Shoot, you're in here as well. So that's pushing in your direction. I expect gusty wind with those thunderstorms, and of course dangerous lightning out over the lake right now. You don't want to be over the lake when you've got lightning and thunder taking place like that. Thunderstorms have fired up here on the west and south side of Lake Livingston. These look likely that they're at least going to graze a big chunk of the south side of the lake up here, Lake Livingston. So be advised, get off the water. You don't want to be over open water with lightning in the area. You become very, very much a target out there on that flat open surface of the lake. And then another storm cell that we're watching carefully is this one between Cleveland and Shepherd on Highway 5969. This one producing very heavy rain. We took a very close look at this one. Kim Castro is here with me in the office right now. We looked inside the storm. It was producing a little bit more of a significant couplet right there, and then it's kind of broken apart. And what it looks like these are doing as we diagnose these is they're firing up, they're producing a little bit of small hail, and then they're collapsing. And as they collapse, they may be producing these microbursts, these downbursts. And so it's strong straight line winds that will be the greatest threat with these storms. Look at the hail tracker. It's not indicating any significant hail with that storm right now. That's good. There's a close-up view of the storm. There's Shepherd. Here's Highway 5969 where it meets Texas 150. Just to the east of FM 2025. Here's FM 223. So between those two Farm to Market roads, that's where we've got this strong thunderstorm here just south of Shepherd. And this one's showing very little movement. So I would expect in this part of the county, you're going to be seeing on that section of 59 perhaps some ponding, perhaps a few high water spots, especially on the entrance and exit ramps to 59 there, as that's producing heavy rain, lightning and thunder, but not moving much at all. So that could be producing some high water pretty quickly. So what does the rest of the afternoon and evening hold? Between now and 5 o'clock, future tracks suggest that across the area, scattered showers and thunderstorms, and some of them strong, will move in across, stretching from Brenham all the way to Galveston by 5 o'clock. We go deeper into the evening, and by 8 o'clock, still looking at scattered thunderstorms, some perhaps still hanging on near College Station, but I think the strongest at that point will be moving toward the coastal counties, West Columbia, Bay City, the Brazosport area. We'll be seeing thunderstorms at that point at 8 o'clock. That's what Future Track suggests. So between now, 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock, still a good chance for showers and thunderstorms to impact the area. We go deeper into the evening, and by 10:30, we're done. The disturbance has passed on through, and things are settling down, hopefully without anything in the way of damage, and it should leave us with some pretty nice rain-cooled air going into tonight and this evening. And then we go into Friday, and Friday begins the big change. Instead of afternoon thunderstorms like we've had the past 4 or 5 days in a row, we're going to go into afternoon heat. By 4 o'clock, Future Track, this particular model suggesting low to mid 90s. We're going to shoot for about 92, 93 for a high tomorrow. Bush 96 is what Future Track is suggesting. Pasadena 94. It will likely feel like it's above 100 degrees Friday and through the weekend. So we're going to shift from severe thunderstorms to at least moderately severe heat, with heat indexes over 100 going into Friday and the weekend. And these are the forecast high temps for the next 10 days. So get ready. If you've got outdoor plans through the weekend, here's Saturday and Sunday, 94, 96. Look at next week, 97 Monday, Tuesday, 98 Wednesday. Triple digits possible Thursday, Friday, Saturday of next week. Think about what your plans are here going into the middle and latter part of the month. You're going to have to be dealing with perhaps severe heat, and that could come with heat indexes well over 100, 108, 9, 10, not out of the question for the end of next week. So that's where we stand right now. I'm going to back it up. We'll just get another look at the big radar so we can see where the storms are forming. Again, strong thunderstorm near Shepherd, not showing any signs of being severe, but putting down some heavy rain. You can see the storms moving toward Lake Livingston. Strong storms across Lake Conroe right now. That's right there at the 1097 bridge west of I-45. Severe thunderstorm continues in effect for this cell in northern Grimes County, although that looks like it may have weakened a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely weakened a little bit, but North Zulch getting wet, Beat Eyes, it's just off to your west, showing perhaps pea-size hail there. And that's a new one here, perhaps a little bit more hail out of that cell west of Iola, west of the northern Grimes County area. That could be nickel-sized hail. We'll be watching for that. Again, perhaps a little bit of a rotation. This looks more like a downburst, like we're getting straight line wind out of that. And here's the big picture. As thunderstorms to our northwest with a disturbance are set to cross the Houston area and greater Houston area over the next several 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Complete live update on the TV side on KHOU 11 News at 4 o'clock. We'll have our next update then, and we'll also take a look at how this is going to play out through the evening. We'll have updated computer models. We'll look at the tropics as well, and we'll take a look at the weekend forecast when I see you guys live at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Kim Castro live at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Until then, we'll keep an eye on it. If something bad starts to happen, we'll break back in and let you know about it.